Welcome to the Remedyforce Summer 18 Early Access Program. I'm Nikhil Deshpande. I'm a product manager for Remedyforce. In this video, we will understand how smart suggestions in self-service can be used to reduce volumes of tickets. This is our legal notice letting you know that what we are showing you today is regarding a future product. This information is under NDA and our safe harbor statement applies. Any purchasing decisions should be based on what is generally available today. Smart suggestions are a way to guide clients the most relevant resources available to them in Remedyforce. Smart suggestions are based on algorithms that run in the background as a client enters details on a ticket form in either of three fields: category, description, and service. The results are displayed in a pop-up adjacent to the ticket form, grouped by resource type. Each resource type shows a maximum of 15 records. By matching on keywords, Smart Suggestions return self-help articles, service request templates, ticket templates, and broadcasts. For each resource type, records are ordered by relevance. Smart Suggestions are a great way to promote these resources. This should result in a drop in volumes of tickets. The client can close the Smart Suggestions pop-up. However, Smart Suggestions would be displayed again the next time the ticket form is displayed. Only those records that are published and enabled for display in self-service are displayed. All record types of self-help articles, including custom types, are displayed as relevant. When a client clicks on a self-help article, its contents replace the ticket form. The client can read the document and provide feedback such as article rating, comments, and answering whether it met their need. Clicking on the back button brings the ticket form back. Only those service request templates that are active and online are displayed. Selecting any record loads the service request form. Common ticket templates include only those ticket templates that are identified as common ticket templates. Ticket templates may be displayed as part of service requests or separately. Active broadcasts enabled for display in self-service are displayed. Upon clicking a record, additional details such as the time it was posted and its priority are displayed. Clicking on the back button displays the ticket form. Those who have used Smart Suggestions in Self-Service 2.0 would be aware of the configuration for enabling Smart Suggestions for self-service. The same configuration now applies to Self-Service 3.0. Admins may choose to selectively enable Smart Suggestions for broadcasts, knowledge articles, common tickets, and service requests. Let us now look at a demo of the product. On the Remedyforce administration page, click on Configure Self-Service, Ticket Layouts. Next, click on the Configure Smart Suggestions button. You need to enable Smart Suggestions first. Thereafter, you have the option of enabling Smart Suggestions for all of these resources. If you aren't using any of these, you can uncheck them and save. Let's now switch to self-service and see how Smart Suggestions work. On the ticket form, whenever I enter any data in category, service, or description, or combination of these fields, Smart Suggestions should be displayed if there are any matching records. Let us see. As soon as I entered a category, there are matching Smart Suggestions. You can see that there's one self-help article that appears to be relevant. Let's enter a description on this ticket. Now you can see that Smart Suggestions have been updated. I want to make myself the owner of an email distribution list, and let's see if there's anything that's helpful. I don't find any of the self-help articles relevant. Let's see a common ticket and service requests, and here I find a matching service request: update an email distribution list. When I click on that link, it opens the service request, allowing me to enter the details on this service request. Next, let's say I want to apply for time off. I can see that there are self-help articles. There's one, the first one, how do I request time off? When I click the knowledge article, I can read the contents of the article, I can rate it and submit. Let's say, what if I didn't find this useful? I can click on the back button, come back and create the ticket if necessary, or I can choose to read any of the other self-help articles. If I rate it as helpful and I say that this article meets my needs and I submit my rating and feedback, my feedback has been submitted and I didn't need to create a ticket. Now let's say I want to reset my password. I browse through the smart suggestions, self-help articles. None of them appear to be helpful, but I find a common ticket for password reset. And when I select that record, the ticket form is loaded with that template, and this automatically populates some field values according to the template and allows me to fill the rest of the values and submit the ticket. What if I want to request for an iPhone? Let's see if there's anything in under service requests. There's already a service request for requesting iPhone 8. I can select that, submit the form. I'm facing a performance issue on the payroll system. I enter the description and smart suggestions show me, in addition to other resources, it shows a broadcast and it appears to be relevant to payroll. If I click on that link, it shows me more details of the broadcast. And read these details, I can go back and submit a ticket if I want to. Thank you for watching this overview of smart suggestions and self-service. We look forward to hearing your comments on the upcoming Remedyforce Summer 18 release.